Where is the edit button in iPhone photos? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Photos application on your device and now open the photo or video you want to edit. Now on the bottom center you will see the edit button beside the info button. Simply tap on that to make the necessary changes. Everything is pretty much the same inside the edit interface, so once you are done making the necessary changes, tap on the Done button on the top right of your screen in order to save the changes that you just made. So, this was about edit button in iPhone photos. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.